Wanna know how to redeem codes or have a redemption code in Mobile Legends Bang Bang? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, simply open up your Mobile Legends application, and once you're there, on the top left right here you can see your profile. So simply select your profile right here, and now once you're there, on the top right you can see your settings. Just simply select settings, and once you're under settings, just head towards redemption code right here. That should be right below title and right above background. Now once you've selected redemption code, here you can simply enter up your redemption code that you had collected through any event, through the website, or through winning any giveaways. And that's it. Once you have entered the redemption code, just simply select OK and you should be good. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.